Want to hear something scary? If you're an adult living in any industrialized country, there's a 99% certainty your body is deficient in magnesium. See, you've probably been told that 80% of us are deficient, but these folks that are symptomatically deficient are already in stage 4 deficiency, or otherwise chronically and dangerously deficient. They're showing symptoms of high blood pressure, anxiety, insomnia, joint pain, migraines, diabetes, and even cancer. And the list goes on and on. Take heart disease, for example. It's no surprise why it's such a mad killer worldwide. Did you know magnesium injections are given in the hospital to approximately half of all heart attack patients? Yet heart disease is only one problem affected by magnesium deficiency. In fact, experts state that there is not a single disease not associated with magnesium deficiency. And that's probably because magnesium is responsible for over 350 life-giving reactions in your body. For example, here's just one of the major ways magnesium directly affects every cell in your body. Every cell in your body is a sodium-potassium pump that requires all elements to function properly with cell membrane potential. This ensures that ATP is produced properly and the Krebs cycle works the way it is supposed to. But due to magnesium deficiency, the most common problem we all share is an overabundance of calcium inside our cells. The ratio for a human being should be 1 to 10,000. That's 1 part inside the cell and 10,000 parts outside. When magnesium is not bioavailable and ready to be accessed by your cells, this ratio falls out of whack, allowing too much calcium inside the cells and not enough outside, causing your sodium-potassium pumps to break and your body to fail to operate in its innate form. In a nutshell, too much calcium inside the cell causes people to turn to stone and become stiff. You begin suffering from heart palpitations, anxiety, calcification of your cardiovascular system, and cellular malfunction, leading to heart disease, cancer, energy deprivation, and so on. And we're not yet even touching on the several hundred other vital jobs magnesium must perform to keep your liver functioning and heart beating. This epidemic of magnesium deficiency affects your body and health in a multitude of untold ways. So you might be wondering, why can't we correct this problem with supplementation? Well, when we try and correct this problem by oral supplementation, the majority of the magnesium gets lost, as it gets filtered out by our kidneys while traveling through our digestive system. Not only do these supplements fail to be absorbed by your body, but they may be sabotaging your health and potential for longevity. The writing is on the wall. If you have sore muscles, carbohydrate cravings, poor digestion, headaches, ADD, poor memory, chronic fatigue, the more symptoms you have, the more your body is desperate for magnesium. And as we stated, multiple symptoms usually only show their rear when a body has begun tipping or has reached stage 4 of deficiency. And although you should be concerned, you don't need to freak out because there is an easy fix. Of course, that is, as long as you've got access to the correct form, the only form completely natural, non-synthetic, and 100% compatible with the human operating system. This specialized form of magnesium is called MCH, but MCH isn't something you drink, inject, or swallow. You feed it to your body in the most efficient, absorbable way, transdermally or through the skin. This allows for maximum absorption and also allows you to apply it to specific problem areas like joints, bones, and muscles. And unlike oral magnesium or hospital injections, you won't overdose on transdermal skin magnesium application because your skin only takes in what your body needs at any given time. That's why you don't suffer from toxicity when you lay in Epsom salt float tanks or take a swim in mineral-rich seawater. When you apply natural MCH to your skin, it's instantly absorbed as pure bioavailable magnesium. However, there hasn't been a naturally derived, pure, and concentrated MCH available to you until now. Introducing EASE, the simplest way to correct chronic degeneration caused by magnesium deficiency. Derived straight, naturally pure from the Dead Sea, we formulated the purest and most absorbable magnesium that works perfectly and synergistically in the human body by spraying the surface of the skin with a fluid solution called MCH. When you spray it on your skin, you're going to see how quickly disruptions in your body can be turned around and avoided, while your core synergy of health is optimized. Once your body has accessible, biocompatible natural magnesium to utilize, thus correcting the calcium ratio inside and outside of your cells, your sodium pumps start to work properly, and your body gets to operate in harmony. So ease those symptoms. Get ahead of the game by restoring your levels, by constantly topping your magnesium levels up and easing your body back to its most synergistic health.